Good morning children, welcome to my channel CC Thakur. Today we will discuss chapter 12 from your textbook Subhasita Saptakam, and we will have discussed in last two videos about its translation. Today we will discuss only exercise of chapter number 12 Subhasita Saptakam 7 Good Sayings, chapter number 12 part 3. Okay. Before you watch the video, please subscribe to my channel. It is necessary, and you are facing probability during exam, so very important to subscribe to my channel so that it will be there in notification list. Okay, as soon as I upload the videos, and share it among your friends. Now we will discuss. We will start with question number 1. Vikalpebhya samochitam uttaram chinuta. Select the correct options or correct answers from the options. Punsam Shreyasika. It is necessary to translate into English. Punsam Shreyasika. What is beneficial for the people or for the men? So ka will be replaced by here. Ka will be replaced by Sanghati, unity. Unity is beneficial for the people. Na heka pakshi dash prayati. Na heka pakshi. Na heka paksha means having one wing. Prayati. Who is having one wing? Bihaga, bird. So na heka paksha bihaga prayati. A bird with single wing cannot fly. So bihaga means bird. Heka paksha means having one wing. Okay. Question number 3. Megha samam kim nasti. What is not there equal to cloud or rain? Okay. Water. There is no water similar to rainwater. Megha samam kim na asti. What is not there equal to cloud? Okay. So there is no water similar to cloud. So kim will be replaced by toyam. Toyam means water. Kula sadmani kaha deepa. Who is like a lamp in the family like assembly. Kula means family, sadmani means in the assembly or sabha or meeting. Who is just like a lamp in the family like society. Okay. So here Satputra, the ideal son, or Kaha will be replaced by Satputra, and wise son or ideal son is just like a lamp in the family like society. Now question number 5. Kesan naranam krute kimapi asadhyam nasti. What is not impossible for what kind of people? Nothing is impossible. Kesam naranam krute. For what kind of people? Kimapi asadhyam nasti. There is no impossibility. Okay. Here sotsahanam, having enthusiasm. I mean utsaha means enthusiasm. Those people who have enthusiasm or interest, for them nothing is impossible. Okay. So nothing is impossible for the enthusiastic people or interested people. So kesam dharanam, kesam will be replaced by sotsanam, means interested people or enthusiastic people. This is question number 1. And part of question number 1 also there are 2 questions. Bihaga sabdasya parya sabda kaha. What is the synonym of bihaga? Bihaga means bird. So here khagaha means bird. Okay. Kha means sky, ga means gachati, one who goes in the sky, that is known as bihaga bird. So bihaga sabda parya sabda kaha. What is the synonym of bihaga? Khaga. Which word is used for water in this lesson? So there are several synonyms for water. So here we have to see which word is used in this lesson. All 4 words, all 4 options are here, stands for water. But here in your textbook in this lesson, toyam means water. This is given. Bari also water, and jalam also water, salyam also water. But this not to write, only to write toyam. Toyam means water. This is given according to textbook. Question number 2. एक वाक्येन संस्कृत भाषाया उत्तरम लिखत. Write answer in Sanskrit in one sentence each. Kani pancha sane bhavanti. Which 5 things go slowly? Okay. So that is the first stanza in your textbook. Shanir Pantha, Pantha. So, Kani, in place of Kani, you have tried Pantha. Pantha means path. Kantha, cloth. Parvatalanganam, climbing the mountain. Vidya, Vidya means knowledge. Vittam, Vittam means money. And at last you write Cha. I repeat, Kani will be replaced by Pantha, Kantha, Parvatalanganam, Vidya, Vittam Cha, Etani, Pancha, Sane, Sane Bhavati. These 5 things happen slowly, or we have to do slowly. Kidrusaha Tandulaha na Prarahanti. What kind of rice grains? Tandula means rice grains, and Kidrusa means what kind of? What kind of rice grains na Prarahanti, do not grow into plant? Okay? Tuseihi Paribrashta. Once rice grains are, husks are removed from the rice grain, that cannot grow into plants. So Tuseihi Paribrashta. Kidrusa will be replaced by Tuseihi Paribrashta. Okay, next question. Khanyamana bhumi kim dadati. Khanyamana bhumi, the digged land. Kim dadati. What does the digged land keep? So kim will be replaced by jalam. Khanyamana bhumi kim dadati. What does the digged land give? Jalam. Patram kaha naiva tapayati. Patram kaha naiva tapayati. Who does not spoil his personality? Who does not destroy his personality? Patra means personality, Kaha means who, Naiva means neighbor, Tapayati means gives pain or brings problem to his personality. Who does not bring problem to his personality? So it will be replaced, Kaha will be replaced by Satputra, that is the ideal son. Satputraha. Kaha will be replaced by Satputra, that is last answer. Question number 3. Rekhankita padani adhrutya prasna vakyam rachayata. On the basis of underlined word, Rekhankita means underlined word. Rekhankita padani adhrutya. On the basis of underlined word, prashna vakyam rachata. Make question. Okay. I told you already. If it is a place, then you have to write kada. If it is time, if it is a time, kada. If it is a place, kutra. If it is a situation, then kedrusa. And other cases, you have to match the sign. Toyam. Toyam means water. You will ask now what? So what के लिए keep. And please remember, when you copy this kim word in place of toyam, you have to write ki, then put dot, because it is a consonant. Next letter is the, next word starts with the is a consonant, so it will be keep. So toyam will be replaced by keep. Satputra davyavasana samay chalatam dadhate. An ideal son does not run away from the family at the time when the things are over. So dravyavasana samaya means when the things are exhausted or things are over. So it is a time, it will be replaced by kada. So in this place, in place of dravyavasana samaya, you have to write kada. Kada means when. Eka paksho bihaga na prayati. Bihaga means bird. The bird does not fly with single wing. So bihaga means bird, so you have to replace it by kaha. Bihaga means bird, you will ask what, who? So the answer is kaha. So bihaga will be replaced by kaha. Okay, that is question number 3. Now next question number 4. Varga sahitam anunasika padam likhata. Say children, in the beginning of the year in online classes, I have sent 2 videos related to grammar points. In that one part, there is a grammar point. It is related to correct the words or correct the sentence. It is related to anuswar, related to halantma, and related to spelling mistake. So here, let me tell you, these words we have to correct. Varga sahitam anunasika padam likhata. Anunasika padam means these letters are anunasika. Nya, dana, then na, then ma, and one more is nya. These 5 letters are anunasika, means nasal letters. These letters are pronounced are spoken with the touch of nostril. That's why they are known as Anunaska Varna. Now see, very simple formula we have to apply here. You are finding in each word there is a Anuswar. Anuswar means dot. Here in long, above la, here above pa, above va, above ta. There is Anuswar. First of all, we have to remove that Anuswar. Just remove the Anuswar. Okay. After removing, we have to see what comes after Anuswar. For example, question number 1. Lang gha. Gha comes. So there are varga. Here you see varga. Varga means that is category. 5 category are there in the alphabets. Okay. So names of varga are ka. So 5 letters are there in that ka, kha, ga, gha, and last letter is one. Okay. So here ka, kha, gha. This letter comes here. What is the last letter of this one? So you have to write here. After removing Anuswar, so write the answer like this. Okay. This letter to be replaced by in place of Anuswar. Then under that gha, lang gha, not here. Then na, lang gha na. What I did now? I have added gha is already there. I have to added wa. This letter is known as wa. It is written like this. Okay. This I have added in place of Anuswar because in gha, the after la letter is gha. Gha comes in this category. In this category, what is the last letter? Wa. So I have tried to wa there. First of all, we have to observe what comes after Anuswar. In that category, what is the last letter? Let us take second question. Pancha. And when you after Anuswar, what comes cha? And if you find out in that word cha, cha, ja, then jha, nya, that is last letter. It is the name of the Gana is cha and last letter is nya. Okay. So after removing Anuswar, you have to write half of this letter like this, then add cha, pancha. Okay. So this is right procedure to write pancha. In the same way, third question, bandhu. After Anuswar, what is the letter the? Okay. And the comes in which category? Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay. So here you see dha is there in the question. After Anuswar, after removing Anuswar, dha. So before dha, we have to add half of this letter here. Okay. So it will be bandhu like this. Bandhu. Okay. In the tandula. Tandula. After Anuswar, what comes? Da. Da comes in ta, tha, da, dha, na. It is already there in grammar part. We have discussed in the beginning. So here, after Anuswar, da letter is there. What is the last letter of this category? Ta. We have to catch that category. Then what is the last letter? Ana. So we have to write now in place of Anuswar ta, then half of this letter, then umatra, then la, tandulaha. This is the correct way of writing. Here let us see the example. Pandita. After Anuswar, da is there. Da comes in just now I have discussed. Da comes in ta varga. Ta, tha, da. I mean, starting with ka, 5 letters. Then cha, next 5 letters. Then ta, next 5 letters. Then ta, in ta, next 5 letters. Then pa, next 5 letters. These are 5 categories, means 5 varga. So after observing what comes after Anuswar, in that word, where this word comes in, which category this letter comes, like cha, in that category, what is the last letter? That last letter to use in half form. Okay? So that is question number 3. Now sloka purtim kurta, these slokas you have to learn by heart for exam in your textbook, nothing to discuss, it is just to practice by heart. Now question number 6, Matrubhasha Uttaram Likhata. Answer the question, following questions in mother tongue. Mother tongue means here in English medium, it is English. So mother tongue means English you have to understand. Okay. Question number 1, which 5 imperishable treasure Which 5? Imperishable treasure. Okay, so that is truth, then friendship, character. It is there one of the stanza. Panchetani Akshaya Nidhi. I am reminding you that stanza last word Panchetani Akshaya Nidhi. In that stanza, answer is there. What does a poet want to convey by saying a bird cannot fly with one wing? He wants to convey the message that unity is required. As a bird cannot fly with single wing, in the same way, man needs to have these qualities. Then only he can be called a complete man. Okay? Naheka paksha vihaga prajati. It is there in that stanza. Naheka paksha, last stanza. Last line I am reading of that stanza. Naheka paksha vihago prayati. In that stanza, translation is there. Why is a good son called a lamb? Okay, that is the extreme last stanza translation. It does not pollute its personality. It does not bring unhappiness, pain to others. And when the things are over, it does not go away, run away from the family. It works like a lamb in the society like family. Okay, so that is extreme last stanza. Very simple. Just after reading the translation, write the answer in your own way. Now, question number 7. Anuvadam krutva, after translating, artha visaram bodham chalikada. See, this question has 3 steps or 3 stages. One is anuvad. Anuvad means translate. First of all, you have to translate the stanzas in as it is condition, as you have written, as I have discussed. Then artha visaram, expand the idea. Then comes bodha means moral. So in 3 steps you have to answer. First is translation. Second is expand the idea. Third is bodha means write a moral. Okay. So let me explain these 2 stanzas at least. Sanir pantha, sanir kamtha, sanir parapatalanganam, sanir vidya, sanir vittam, pachetani, sanesam. Okay. I mean, we have to, translation already know, you have written. So here in this stanza, in the above stanza, that is translation, expand the idea I am discussing. Here in the above stanza, the poet has tried to remind us while doing these things, we have to be careful. We cannot do the things hurriedly or very fast. We have to go a little bit slow. If we do these things hurriedly or very fast, and our things cannot be done properly, so it is very necessary to do the things slowly. Here, example, you can write, if you walk on the road or cross the road fast, there are chances of accident. If you stitch the cloth hurriedly, then there are chances of stitching in wrong way. According to measurement, you cannot teach. If you climb the mountain very fast, there are chances of slip of leg. You may fall down. If you try to get the knowledge, acquire the knowledge very fast, then you can understand the concept. And money, if you try to earn the money overnight or within short period of time or very fast, you cannot get money with satisfaction, and that money may not be useful in your life. So it is advised by the poet to do the things, at least these 5 things, slowly and gradually. Moral, haste is waste according to this proverb, and if you want to save the time, do the things slowly. Now, 7th question, 2nd stanza. Sotsahanam nastya sadhyam dharanam margarabdha sarvatna palanti. This is not the whole stanza, children. Only 2 lines are given, and line 1 is Sotsahanam nasti asadhyam dharanam. Utsahanam, having enthusiasm. People having enthusiasm, nasti asadhyam. There is no impossibility. There is no impossibility for the people having enthusiasm. I mean, those people who are interested. So for them, nothing is impossible. They can earn, they can achieve everything in their life. They get the success, they reach the destination. And how to do those things to get, to make the things possible? It is given in last line. Marga Rabdha, once the path has been started, once you have started walking, started running, started going on a path, Sarva Yatna, with all the efforts. I mean, once you have started work with all the efforts, phalanti, finally give result. So it is necessary we have to do the things with full of efforts, not carelessly, not haphazardly, nor in a hurry. Better you do the things with full of effort so that you can get result. Okay, this is the exercise. Now your turn is to write the exercise in your notebook very clearly. Watch the video properly as many times as possible, and sometimes if you don't understand the concept by listening one time, pause the video over there, and after getting confirmation about the answer, please go ahead. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe.